There's one part that every hospital, every warehouse, every airport, and every restaurant depends on, but no one talks about it. You've used it 1,000 times. And if it fails, everything stops. It's not software, not robotics, not a power source. It's a caster, the small engineered wheel that lives under equipment, carts, bins, machinery, and critical gear across the planet. You've seen it, you've used it, but you've never realized what it really does. Before wheels, there were sleds. Then came rollers. Eventually, we engineered something smarter. The modern caster, designed to move loads, reduce friction, and make the impossible feel effortless. In a fulfillment center, they move over 100,000 packages a day. In hospitals, they're under every stretcher. In factories, they keep machines mobile. These parts turn chaos into efficiency. Behind every caster are load ratings, bearings, swivel systems, tread compounds. It's not just a wheel, it's a mechanical system under pressure, built to perform. When a caster fails, time stops. Damage spreads. Injuries happen. One wrong wheel can shut down an entire workflow. And yet, it's still overlooked. Your food delivery, your surgery, your air travel, your packages. Every part of your life touches a caster. You just don't see it. Use the wrong size? Bearings fail. Wrong tread? Floors get ruined. Poor swivel design? Workers get hurt. A bad caster turns small problems into big costs. Today's casters are getting smarter. Some reduce vibration in labs and hospitals. Some are built with tread compounds that reduce noise and protect sensitive flooring. Others track load stress to prevent failure before it happens. This isn't just about rolling, it's about performance and prevention. USA-made casters are precision engineered for companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, General Motors, and Amazon, to name a few. Operations where failure isn't an option. These casters use sealed raceways, king-pinless designs, heat-treated steel, and precision bearings that reduce friction and increase control. Specialized treads reject debris, resist heat and corrosion, and reduce push-pull strain on workers. They're not just made tougher, they're made smarter, safer, and purpose-built for the world's most demanding jobs. Casters aren't one-size-fits-all. You need to match the floor, the load, the use. A hospital bed needs one kind, a heavy dolly another. Get it wrong, and you're paying for it later. We obsess over automation, robotics, and AI, but none of it moves without physical motion. And that motion starts at the ground, with the right caster. You've used it 1,000 times. Now you know why it matters. This isn't just about wheels. It's about everything they carry. If you're ready to move smarter, move with CasterHQ.